What's up, everybody? This is your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. Today we have a bag from Greenwood, Indiana. This is some sort of like tanning lotion or something I bought from my aunt. I've retired from tanning as of last March 2020. Decided not to tan anymore, but I'm not against it. I just don't do it anymore. I'm pretty pale. The trick is to wear neon. That'll help you stay naturally tan-ish. But yeah, I bought these from my aunt. This is a Bali Body Watermelon tanning oil. Got a 2-pack for my aunt. I don't know if you want to read that. Contains nuts. What? Made in Australia. 100 milliliters, 3.4 fluid ounces. SPF 6. So yeah, I don't know how great it is. I don't know. It could be terrible. I don't know, but yeah, I've never used it before. This might be more of an outdoor use, natural UVA UVB protection. So I actually might utilize this outside and tan, but I have stopped tanning indoors. The fake bake. What do you guys think? Can you guys tell I stopped over a year ago? Yeah, do you guys tan? What lotions and oils and potables do you use? Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please support my channel, even as simply as just sharing my videos, hitting the thumbs up button, the notification bell, checking out my other thousands and thousands of videos. If you want to help other ways, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can use my username, London Hawthorne, on websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice, save $3 or more off every single shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, when checking out. I wish you the best. Stay safe out there. If you're going to tan, make sure you use some lotion and wear the goggles if you're doing indoor. Have a great day.